We have to go security first. Like this. Okay.
Good afternoon.
For the vlog. Oh. It's my belt probably.
Thank you.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Good afternoon. Λοιπόν, είμαστε εδώ στο ξενοδοχείο Dusit, στο 10ο όροφο και θα σας δείξω το δωμάτιό μας. Hello. Like the room?
Yes, very much. This is our favorite.
Look here. This is the view I like in Dusit. This side, because you see all the new town, sky highs, everything. Αυτή είναι η θέα μας. Πολύ όμορφα. Και εδώ είναι ακριβώς εκεί μπροστά είναι η Δύση. Εκεί που φαίνεται και ροδίζει λίγο. That's my turn now. To jump in the bed. That's good, eh?
Whole day strolling here in Glorieta, Greenbelt, SM, just shopping. That's it. What else
Okay,
can
are
we
you
do here?
content now?
Somehow,
Huh?
yeah.
Are you content? Oops. Here she go again.
Hi, shout out!
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Nananawagan ako dyan.
Say where you are.
I'm here.
Hello. It's okay.
No, really, it's nice.
We appreciate that.
No.
By the way, I will make it to the other one because it's not
Well,
balanced.
guys, they treat me like this. This side here.
It's a treatment.
Yeah, that one.
I will do the other one.
It's really magic. Very nice.
Not a magic.
comes to happy endings. Very nice place. Town Battery.
Very nice to have your own
Pond.
just pond. Yeah. To
Mm.
see those big fish, small fish together, you know.
And back to our hotel finally after 8 hours.
Good morning. We're heading to restaurant to have breakfast. First breakfast.
Okay, Ella, give your credential.
You don't want to put in the oven to
You want?
yeah fish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a great day.